Hello my beautiful subscribers, welcome to my channel today. And today I want to show you how I edit my screen recording video using CapCut in my PC. If you never know that if you never knew, CapCut has bring out a version that you can use on system. So this is their desktop system. So the first thing I do is for me to click on new project, and it's gonna open the CapCut the interface for me. It's loading. So the real interface is open right now. So let me just show you around. Here you can import something and you drag it here to edit. So me, I'm going to drag it, import something. What I want to really edit in this video is this video right here, how to mix focus. So I click it and it's in my editor now. So I just drag it and put it here. So there are a couple of things I really want to do in this video right now. One thing I want to do is, it's just a straight recording video or tutorial videos I teach my students on how to produce beats online. But before I started recording, my OBS main screen was showing. So that are the things I really want to cut off from this video in order for me to make the video sound look well and professional in this thing. So let's view it. Let's play it. Hello my beautiful subscribers and first time out to my channel. So I need to cut down. I'll cut out. Hello my beautiful subscribers and first time out to please, if it is of today's video, I'm going to show you how to mix. So I will just split, and I'll touch out and delete. So let's place that. Hello my beautiful subscribers and first time out to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to mix your vocals like a professional, make it sound and make it fit for your distribution. Please, if it is your first time of watching video in my channel, please do well to like this video, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any update. In this channel, we teach you how to do some certain things as a music artist. So one thing I really want now, I really need my mix, like the best part of this video to be at the front part, so it can bring more engagement to my videos. Because if someone just open up your video and realize that your video just started like this, it might be bored for them to just follow up. So I always want my, where I know that the busy work is there, what they can see, to come up. So I always scroll my video down to here, a place like that's how it is. So as you can hear this, me, I know they like something to bother me. As I guess. So as you can hear, this song is just as try as it is, but it's not well perfect for someone to release it. You know, a couple of artists always release their music this way because they don't even know how to mix it. So that's the reason I bring this video to your doorstep. So compressor in order for me to compress my sound. So I will load over to my apology as I guess. Me know they like someone to bother. I'm looking for the best part for me to put it in the intro. So I'll just keep on going till I find somewhere I know it's going to fit in with my mix. So let me check here. Okay.
No, they like someone to bother me as I find.
More loud. You understand? I want it to be loud. So I have to search.
Me no the only one apology. Me a two pops and a suspect. What is my crime now? You can't relate if you never go outside. Police never harass you. You can't relate if you not be artist.
As you can see, the mix has now sound. Yeah, I can take some place like that.
Oh no one apology.
I can take from there and then I'll split it and then I will
as I guess me I know they like some
to the point like this. So what vitamin do? As you can see, the mix has now sound professional. So I want it to be more loud. I'll just stop there. I'll click, I'll split, then I will now hold and copy. Now duplicate this. I'll duplicate this. Sometimes it's always confusing. I'll copy it. I'll paste it here. I'll drag it all the way to the start and I'll select here, drag it down, so that is how it's going to be. So in the starting it will be like this.
As I guess me I know they like someone to bother me as I find. Them know when you were to bother me. Police tell me say no suspect. Say I too fine, say no suspect. Say I too fresh, say no suspect. See me and my G, say no suspect. Police tell me say no suspect. Say I too fine, say no suspect.
I'll split it and I'll delete this one. It's too long. So I need
too fine, say no suspect. Say I too fresh, say no suspect. Say me a two pops and a suspect. What is my crime now? You can't relate if you never go outside. Police never harass you. You can't relate if you not be artist.
As you can see, the mix has now sound professional. So I want it to be more. As you can. Hello, my beautiful subscribers and first timer. As you can see, the mix has now sound professional. So I want it to be more loud. Hello, my beautiful subscribers and first timer to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to mix your vocals like a prof. So what I do there is that I have put in some at least 30-minute this thing that someone can really want to watch from my video. And if I don't do that and I just put the whole video direct straight, most people will not likely want to watch the video. So that is how I do it. Focus, it has been mixed and I've done everything to the focus, but I only do it to my main focus. And because so that is just all about this video. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.